When it comes to calming our mind and supporting our well-being, being mindful has been shown to provide huge benefits. So it's understandable that it's something we would benefit from getting better at. And it turns out we can absolutely do that with mindfulness practices. That's right, with practice, we get better at skills that help us focus our attention, help us to be aware of what's going on in our minds and bodies and around us, being able to bring an open mind and curiously tune into what's going on right here, right now, as opposed to being up in our head, making assumptions, jumping to conclusions, overanalyzing things, or making critical judgments. These skills can be trained and honed through mindfulness practices. And when we do practice over time, the science shows us that there's even more specific benefits than what I've just outlined, which includes strengthening how our brain can actually process incoming information that helps us with learning and memory. We can make decisions more effectively, reduce the impact of bias on our choices. We can solve problems more effectively and come up with more creative ideas as well. And in terms of our physical and mental health, we improve how we relate to and respond to stress and demonstrate resilience, so we bounce back from setbacks more skillfully. Mindfulness skills also help us with the trickier and often very difficult mental health challenges like depression and anxiety. But wait, there's more. There's a whole host of physical health benefits too. Our immune system gets a boost, which is so important for our recovery. Mindfulness meditation and breathing practices help us greatly here. And down to the level of how our brains are wired and how our DNA functions, mindfulness shows benefits here too. So there's so many levels of benefit from practice. Now we just want to support you in getting into practice. And that's what you'll find in the next video.